Struggling to host online events that actually grow your audience and make money? What if you could do it all in minutes, not weeks, with just one tool? Stick around, this might change everything. Running virtual events can feel like juggling flaming swords, ticketing, speakers, emails, landing pages, and nothing talks to each other. Sound familiar? Meet HeySummit, your all-in-one platform to host, monetize, and grow virtual events without the tech headache. Whether it's webinar workshops, summits, or courses, it's got you covered. Just pick your event type, set up speakers, design your page, and go live. You can track tickets, manage affiliate sales, send emails, and even integrate with Zoom or YouTube without ever switching tabs. Real-world use cases. From creators and coaches to educators and nonprofits, thousands use HeySummit to run live, pre-recorded, and even hybrid events. And yes, people are making $16K per event. Unlike other platforms, HeySummit handles speaker dashboards, affiliate links, donations, email flows, and more, all from one clean interface. No coding, no chaos. Pricing and lifetime deal. Here's the insane part. You can get lifetime access for just $79 on AppSumo. That's 80% off the regular price. No monthly fees, no surprise charges, is in the description. What makes HeySummit different? HeySummit isn't just software. It's a complete business engine for hosting impactful events, growing your email list, and generating revenue. No tech skills? No problem. If you're ready to stop managing tools and start building your brand through powerful events, then HeySummit is the smartest investment you'll make today. Grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI and creator tools. Get lifetime access to HeySummit, link below.